So far, we've shared the definition of compassion, examples of how each of us can demonstrate it, and benefits of creating a culture of compassion. So the question is, what's the opposite of compassion? Well, in work environments that lack compassion, people dread coming to work. There's cruelty, animosity, and negative energy. People come across as cold, mean, and hostile to each other. And most of all, there is no consideration for others. So if our goal is to raise the bar in the level of service that we provide every single day, remember, a major part of this goal is demonstrating compassion, especially when helping others in need.